lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa.
Grinder are the spices and the coconut. Onion and the tomato will only be used.
माशना इंग्लिश इनकी सांगले सोल तकले वयल्या गेले तेक लागून आतां हांव मातशें माय भाशेन सांगता. बिमलाची वो भेंड्यां कोड करपा ओद नाल घेवपाचो, 7 ते 8 काश्मीरी मिरसांग घेवपाच्यो, 1 कुलेर सुकलो कोथमीर, ओद टीस्पून जिरें, हाफ टीस्पून ओड्डी पिठो, 1 ते 2 लसणी भुंय घेवपाच्यो, इली आमसाण आनी 1 पियाव, 1 टोमाट, करीपत्ता थोडी आनी बिंडासोल. आतां आमगे आड्यान हाडपा आमी नाल घेवपाचो, ओद नाल घेतल्यार पुरो. ओद नाल घेवपाचो, तितून 7 ते 8 मिरसांग घालपाच्यो आनी तेंप्र काळटें सोगलें तेंप्र घालपाचें आनी बरें हाडपाचें मिक्सरां. त्या बरें आंटून येयलें म्हणटरी तें बरें चाण्णें घालपाचें आनी दिस बरो रोस काडपाचो. रोस काडल्यार मातशें बरें जाता, कित्याक ना जाल्यार दाट येता. एक पाट रोस काड म्हणटरी तेंच आड्यान मागीर पोतून ग्रायंडरान घायन इल्लें उदक घायन पोतून बरें हाडपाचें. आनी मागीर पोतून चाण्णें घायन पोतून मुडपाचें आनी आहा तितलो रोस काडपा तेजो. आजचो आत बरो सुरसुरीत आनी कार्रेगाद रोस येयला. आतां जाल म्हणटरी आतां बरें इल्लें तेल पियाव आनी करीपत्ता घायन बरें होंड मारपाचें. बरें होंड भाजून येयलें म्हणटरी तितून थोडें टोमाट उडोवपाचें आनी बरें भाजपाचें. आतां आमगे होंड बरें भाजून येयलां सारकें सिडसिडीत. आतां रोस काडटो बरो सकाळ घालपाचो होण्णां. आजचो तुमकां सुंगट उजरावपा शिकयता. सुंगट उजरावपा हांव ही कातर उजार करता. ही कातर दुबयसून हाडली, मातशी बरी येता कातर. पयलीं हड्डी उडोवपाची अशें करून चुपचको, मागीर त्यो मिशी आहाय त्यो कातरपाच्यो चुपको आनी मागीर सोलपा मागीर इजी येता. सरसर करून मागीर सोलपा तें. चल आनी एक कातर आनी एक दाखयता तुमकां. आनी एक बरी ती हड्डी उडय भायर, मागीर तेंगे मुखल्या मिशी आहाय त्यो उडय, मागीर सरसर करून सर सामकें आनी हाटल्या शेंपड्या ती ओडून काडपाची अशें करून. सोलील म्हणटरी मागीर हाटीक अशें करून कातर घालपाचो आनी ती आनकोडी आहा ती ओडून काडपाची. जालें. सुंगटाचें मागीर बरें मीठ हापडपाचें आनी बरें कालोवपाचें. मागीर आमी बिंबल घालपाची. बिंबल नाय जाल्यार मागीर भेंडे देखून गायल्यार कोंता येता. भेंड्याची बरी जाता कोडी. घोटसाणी एकदम बरी. कोडी बरी शिजोन येयली म्हणटरी मागीर तितून सुंगट घालपाची आनी बिंबल मिक्स करपाची आनी मागीर कोडी बरी शिजोवपाची. चय बरी दाट जायना एकदां. मागीर तिखसाण जाय जाल्यार एक जिते सांग चिरपाची आनी उडोवपा तितून लास्टाक. चय आतां सुंगट आनी बिंबल सामकी सिडसिडीत शिजोन येयलें. मागीर जाल म्हणटरी हांवें काडलें आनी तें कुण्ण्याक घायलें. कुण्णी मातशें ल्हान आसलोलें तेका लागून कुण्ण्याक पुरो मेळो ना तें म्हाका. चय आतां सामकें कुण्ण्या सारकें ते भाशेन जानोत्त जालें. चय मागीर उकड्या तांदळां शीत केलें, रेचाद बांगडे बरें रेचाद केले, प्रॉन्स रवा फ्राय केलें, घोसाड्या बरी भाजी केली आनी गोड लिंब्या मिस्कूट घेवन जेवण बरें उडिलें. आवयस चय सामको बरो पोरमो उडयलो ते कोडये. आनी व्हिडिओ मुगे लायक जाय जाल्यार मातशें लायक शेअर आनी सबस्क्रायब म्हणटाय तें कराय. आनी मुगे न्यू व्हिडिओ तुमकां चोवपाक जाय जाल्यार कापीण माराय.
So to make the curry, these are the ingredients you need. Now the only thing that's going to go into the mixer grinder are the spices and the coconut. The onion and the tomato will only be used to saute. as well as our curry leaves, chilies, and the kokum. So in a pan on medium heat, we're gonna add in 2 tablespoons of oil, add in a big large onion, some curry leaves, and saute it to golden brown. Then we add in 1 ripe tomato and just cook it till it's nice and concentrated and reduced. Okay guys, now for the main part, this is how you make the curry masala. So you're just gonna add in the coconut, the spices, and as much water to make a nice smooth paste as seen here. Now we pass it through a sieve and squeeze out and extract all that curry juice and all the masala out from the coconut. And don't throw this coconut, we're just gonna blend it again with some more water so that we get more flavor. Okay, so we take the remaining coconut, add it back into the mixer, add in some more water, blend it up again. We're just doing this so we can really remove all the flavor and get all that flavor into the curry. So repeat that step, pass it through the mixer, squeeze out and extract the juices and the masala. So there you go, our curry masala is nice and ready. And now we're going to add this into our sauteed onions and tomatoes. So now we clean and dissect the prawns. So to clean and dissect a prawn, you're just going to take a prawn and decapitate it or just cut off its head. Then you just need to cut down its legs and all the sharp bits, especially at the base. It's going to make it much easier. And then you just need to peel off that exterior shell and just slide out that prawn. Nice and easy. Now just before we remove the undesirable intestine from the middle, I'm just going to show you one more time. So remove the head, cut off the tentacles and the base, and then just peel it off with your hands and then just slide it out of that exterior shell. And now I'm going to teach you how to clean the undesirable center. So all you need to do is cut down in the middle and just pull out that intestine. So nice and easy, slit it down the middle and just pull it out. So now we just season the prawns with some salt as per taste. Cut the bimblas into halves and then season it with some more salt. And now we're just gonna add the prawns and the bimblas into the curry. The reason we're gonna cook the prawns and bimblas in the curry is because we really want that delicious flavor to penetrate through the prawns and the bimblas. So in every bite you get the delicious flavor throughout the curry. And after that, we're just gonna give it a nice stir. Taste it, and according to your taste, add in some salt or spices as you wish. At this stage, I like to add in the sugar. Give it a mix and let that boil down. Now, lastly, we're just gonna add in a slit of green chili. If you like spice, you can add in more than one, but we like one. So we're just gonna boil it for another few minutes, and there we go. Our delicious Goan prawn bimbla curry is ready. I like to serve it in a clay pot just because it enhances the flavor. There you go. Look at the curry. It looks so tantalizing, so flavorful and vibrant. You can literally see how flavorful it's gonna be. I served my curry with the authentic Goan fact rice and some fried mackerel, some fried prawns, Goan style bhaji, and some lime pickle.
Lady that I love, she's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa.